Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and we are back talking about Shiba Inu. On my last Shiba video, you guys showed me a lot of love, so I thought you guys probably want to see more Shiba videos, and that is what I am here to bring to you. And I actually want to tell you guys that I will be buying Shiba very soon, and I will break that down in market structure in just a second. Let's have a look at their Twitter, because I don't think there is that much to talk about on their Twitter. They released this cute little GIF about Pokemon Starter, right? I played Pokemon as a kid, and they are choosing Shiba Pokemon. Obviously, that's not a starter. We know that. But yeah, just a little cool little meme with Pokemon. And then also this. So I want to talk about this more when there is more information on it. Maybe when phase 2 comes out, or maybe in a couple days, because it's brand new about this token play phase 1 with Shiba, right? So I want to talk about this more. Maybe I'll make a whole separate video about it, but it's cool that they have partnered and that is now live. So we will see how this is able to do. Okay. So Shiba is actually up slightly in price in the last 7 days, up in market cap, down slightly in volume on all the biggest exchanges pretty much. And you guys are 87% bullish community sentiment, right? That is absolutely great. We want to get that to 90%. It looks even better. So I was saying that I might be buying Shiba very soon. And the reason is I want to see if we are able to hold this support zone, right? I want to see how we close this week candle. If we close in it, maybe if we close a little bit bullish, I doubt that's going to happen, but it's possible. I might start buying up Shiba. Why? Because I think Shiba has a good return for these highs. So my target for Shiba are not all-time highs. And I know you guys are wondering why. Why is because I think all-time highs might take too long. I want to go for the shorter term play and then diversify my portfolio even more later on with altcoin projects such as ZBEC, for example, right? So my goal is this high and this high. And these two highs are very realistic, especially this high right over here, right? This just looks like a very strong liquidity zone that wants to be taken out. And from current price to zone, 230%. I will take that anytime. So that is my plan. My plan is to trade from here to here and get out once I get to that zone. Now, you don't have to follow my plan, of course, because Shiba could go down a little bit lower. Could it? It could, but we are so low already that I am willing to take that risk. So I think next week is when I'm going to pull the trigger and put a small little bag into Shiba, and then we will see how it goes from there. Because on the time frame right now, even on the daily, we can see we are still trending to the downside, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low, pretty much equal lows over here, right? So we can see we are creating that step ladder to the downside. So that means that there is possibility for further continuation to the downside, maybe somewhere over here, maybe take out this manipulation candle that happened on Friday. That is possible. That's why I want to see how we close off the week. It is also possible we make a higher high here and then we start breaking out, right? I want to buy somewhere in this box. That is my guess, and that will probably be happening next week. And I will update you guys again if that happens. If you guys want that, let me know in the comments. I really want to know from you guys. Do you want to see more Shiba videos? Do you care? Are you still holding? Do you want to see price structure? Do you want to see some news and things like that? Let me know. And also, if you're wondering why my voice is so raspy, I've been sick all week and I'll be making these videos. And let me tell you, it ain't helping me trying to yap away, but I got to do what I got to do. Crypto's king. I got to make these videos for you guys. So that is my short-term plan. I don't want to go too crazy. You know what? Let's have a look at the RSI actually before I end the video. Yeah. So RSI is also, you can see we are under the 10 area, we are oversold, right? So we have overbought and oversold. And usually that is a good indication that we want to go to the upside, right? So it could look something like this, or it could look something like this. We really don't know. All I know is that RSI is also telling me that we could be going to the upside because we are so oversold. That is just another indicator. You don't want to solely use that, right? But all these things, what the heck? All these things are telling me that I want to buy next week, right? So that was my little take on Shiba. Let me know if you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Do your own research, guys, because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see you all in the next video.